What's happening there?
The whole time I thought it was like dude missing his stuff. That's why I was
You got muffle on?
No.
Nope. You got cat?
No, it's just straight like yeah. No cat.
Pillars in here. You know what I'm saying? Got your
Do you have the you got the what you call it on there? That heads up display that pop up on the
yeah,
windshield.
got the heads up.
Yeah.
Damn, man, this bitch is dope.
You see he in love, huh?
Fucking hell, bruh. How much was the steering wheel?
It came just like
Oh, you bought it like
yeah, it came with all this in it.
What you had to get done?
that's clearly not. That's clearly
He
not.
scared of the camera, y'all. You want me to point away for you while you talk?
No, man.
Come on, bro. What you brought it over here to get done?
How much boost you running?
I think it's 21 pounds.
21 pounds.
Yeah, 21 pounds.
What he had to come get done, Randy?
They let Brandon do the talking.
He don't want to be on camera, man.
They let Brandon do the talking, man.
We over here at Ram Performance,
This dude's sitting
man.
on 21 pounds of boost.
I have to look back in the log and see where he's at. I don't think that gauge is actually right. I can look back in the log and see where he's at on boost. But he had some bad spark plug wires, but he also, his tune was really jacked up in some of the tables. Phil had to fix that. But he had an intercooler heat exchanger that was cracked and it was leaking, so he was pretty much running dry. He had air in his intercooler heat exchanger, so he was running hot, so it was pulling power. And then with the not sure what torque converter is on here. We could never see what torque converter is actually on here, but they have a built trans and a built rear end, which was also affecting the computers and stuff, how it was tuned. So it just took a lot of hours of data logging and getting the tune dialed in, and yeah, it was a lot of hours spent trying to get this dialed in, not knowing exactly what they did was it's a mystery.
So it's safe to say he's like well over 700 horsepower.
Yeah, he's about 800 to the wheel, or somewhere. That's where he's supposed to be, about 800 to the wheel. Don't know for sure, but I can tell.
Look over there.
Tell you, it's a good.
Who was with the tune that was on there originally? Was it from LMR? Or you think he let somebody else do something on?
See, I don't really know. I know LMR cars supposed to be good.
Yeah.
But it was running like shit.
Because I mean, this car weighs what? 300 pounds?
34.
35.
Yeah, with the blower. If it was the regular C7, I think they're around 3,200 or something like that. Either way, with the blower on it, it still ain't but 3,400.
This is dog.
Yeah, it's stout, and yeah, so it's cammed. It's he's got the aftermarket lid for the blower's ported. Yeah, the blower's ported, and it's got the aftermarket lid on it. Even more head space. He's got a good amount of work put into it. Yeah, it's not cool. Injectors, we got the larger injectors, larger high flow fuel pump. Trying to think what else. He's got a two-step on it, but there is no need for a two-step.
Why that?
Why is that? Well, because these cars, this one's similar to mine, and they actually launch almost better at just an idle, and, without much RPM rev. Whenever you let go off of that RPM rev, and your RPMs is at the minimum you can do is what I think 1,500. You're just gonna break tires even quicker. So it's probably best to launch this thing straight from idle. You wouldn't have to build much boost.
On dig, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Digs. Dig.
Dig. And a two-step is useless for roll racing. So
Yeah.
I mean, I got a two-step on
What's the
my.
fastest you had it?
Up to like 160.
Oh, you bullshit, man. We gotta get that 200.
Yeah, I ain't know.
We gotta get that 200, bro.
Well, I mean, he just got it fixed, so I'm sure now
Yeah.
it would.
It wouldn't take that long.
When you trying to knock that 200 out.
In a heartbeat.
I'm not trying to see the 200, man.
Oh, man.
Come on, man. I'll show you 200 in it. Come on, let's go. Shit. You don't need much highway.
It's hot.
And with them fucking brakes, shit.
Well, you don't actually need a C200 because this ain't gonna hold.
What ain't gonna hold?
That's
This wing?
Yeah, because I
Why
remember when
not?
Chris did it in his, it pulled his wing off because it created that downforce. Yeah, it pulled his off. I remember that.
Damn.
I did 187 in mine. I mean, the hood looked like it was about to come off. Hey, that hood flutter, that shit scared the shit out of me. That motherfucker.
And imagine the Mustang, it do that with stock horsepower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn, I didn't realize this thing was like that.
Yeah, Chris blew his off.
Damn.
Probably should get the center piece down. You can adjust it.
Yeah,